Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So I have a special video for you today. I'm going to be putting together a beautiful glam tablescape. I'm putting everything together outside in my enclosed porch, and it is a cozy table for two. Now I decided to name this tablescape Lady Amethyst. So if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Remember that all the items that I'm using to put this tablescape together, I'm going to be listing in the description box below. Now don't forget to click that like button, because every time you do, you help YouTube to notice me just a little bit more, and that helps me to grow. Oh, and don't forget to comment below, because I would love to hear from you. Now we're starting out with that beige tablecloth, and that I thrifted from the Goodwill. And then we're going to move on over to that centerpiece in the back. It is absolutely gorgeous, along with the rose petal placemat that is sitting on, and those items I DIY'd. Now the two center cylinders were thrifted from the Goodwill. Now we're going to move on over to those beautiful mirrored chargers, and I found those at the Salvation Army. I love them. Now the clear dishes I decided to use, and those I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Also that beautiful candle in lavender, I purchased that at the Dollar Tree, along with the little dish that is sitting on that's shaped like a rose petal. Now those cylinder vases in the back next to the centerpiece are sitting on some mirrors that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I think that looks so beautiful. Now I decided to name the tablescape Lady Amethyst, and that's because I decided to dedicate this table to Amethyst Adventures, Courtney. Not only is she a good friend, but she's actually helped me look at purple in a whole different light. So Courtney, today I decided to celebrate you and thank you for being my friend. So here I'm just trying to get the napkins right, and these napkins I did thrift from the Salvation Army. So now these water glasses I bought at the Dollar Tree, but the wine glasses that I'm coming out with, those I thrifted at the Salvation Army. just love to light my candles and bring that warmth in. I turned on the porch lights and we are setting the mood for a nice cozy evening. So the last finishing touches, I think it's good if I put the utensils down. So those I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and they're already the utensils inside the sleeve. Those are absolutely a great buy. So let's head on over to the reveal. Okay, Courtney, this one's for you. So I do have some beautiful sunflowers hanging out on the porch also. And the lights that I used to cover the porch, that I purchased at Big Lots. So overall, everything I think came out gorgeous, and I hope that you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.